average Joe needs to know. I am attempting to build one of these. I've never done Legos. I know, 55 years old, and I should know how to build one of these. I'm going to open a box, and then I'll show you everything inside it. All right. All right, let's see what we got here. I don't know what that is. Number 2, number 4, number 3, number 1. Here are instructions. And I know if you download the app, it'll have this book in it, and it's a lot easier to follow. Stickers. And I think that's the body of the car. And that is it. So what I'll do is I'll show you the progress at each stage. All right, so that is what it looks like after you get done with section 1. I still got 2, 3, 4. Oh, hold on a minute. And there's the extra pieces that come with it. I only use 2 stickers on this. No wheels yet. So let's continue on to bag number 2. Bag number 2 complete. On to bag number 3. 4, 3. And I still got some pieces. Still got some pieces. Excuse me. Left over. I still got all them stickers to go through yet. So let's see where this goes. So here we are after bag 3. And I just got one more bag to go. And there's still some stickers left to go. So let's do this and let's get this done. Well, there it is after the 4th one. Sorry that I've been whispering and stuff. My roommate's been she's been under the weather and stuff, so she's been sleeping. But this is the car, and let me zoom in a little bit. Let's see if it won't let me. But that's the car. I mean, it's pretty cool. It took me about an hour and a half, but I was watching the Daytona 500 also. So let me show you the back. You even got the 3 tailpipes underneath. Ferrari on it. Oh, I got my fingers in the way. It's got a little motor in it. And there's the driver. And there's the headlights for it. And it's 318 pieces. Felt like more, and then it comes with a bunch of extra little pieces. So if you want, I think this was like, I don't know, $25, $26 for it. It's a neat little thing. And when I look at it, I'm thinking of Magnum PI. Might be a different model, but it sure does look like the Magnum PI without the top cover on it. Looks so cool. All right, guys. I will see you on the next one. Bye. Oh, and before I go, make sure you hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. It truly helps. All right. Have a good one. Until next week. Bye.